Tesla watchers spot mysterious castings at Fremont Factory. A recent flyover of the Fremont Factory has triggered speculations about Tesla's ongoing initiatives that are yet to be unveiled publicly. This was hinted at by the sighting of some apparent vehicle castings around the factory that have never really been observed before. A Fremont Factory flyover. In a recent update, drone operator Met God in Wilderness, who has been chronicling the progress and developments of the Fremont Factory for years, shared some footage from his August 14, 2025 flyover. Based on the video, the Fremont Factory seemed very much alive. Vehicles were being pumped out of the factory, and a rather interestingly covered car could be seen going around the test track. What is quite fascinating about the footage from the Fremont Factory is the fact that the vehicles that were moving from the production line to the outbound logistics lot are not driven manually anymore. As per Tesla in previous updates, vehicles produced at the Fremont Factory navigate to the outbound logistics lot on their own using unsupervised FSD. Mysterious castings. Perhaps most interestingly, the drone operator also managed to capture some footage of some castings that were being gathered just outside one of the facility's sprung structures. These castings seem to be quite new, as they do not seem to match any of the castings that are currently being used for the Model Y. This has brought speculation suggesting that the new components, which seem smaller than standard Model Y megacasts, may be for a different, perhaps more compact vehicle. As per Tesla, in its second quarter earnings call, the company actually started the initial production of more affordable models sometime in June. These vehicles, as per Elon Musk, will be made available for consumers in the fourth quarter. Given that we started in North America, and that our goal is to maximize production with higher rates by the end of Q3, we're going to keep pushing hard on our current models to avoid complexity. We'll be running with the more affordable models available for everyone in Q4, Musk said. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.